Before you decide to buy Surfshark, there are 12 key things you should know. Compared to other VPNs, it has some standout features, but also some limitations. Stick around until the end for the full picture. First up, Surfshark is a relatively affordable VPN, especially when compared to high-end competitors like ExpressVPN. Offering unlimited devices per account is a huge plus, especially for families or people with lots of devices. Many VPNs limit you to 5-10 devices, but Surfshark lets you connect as many as you need without extra charges. Next thing, Surfshark offers strong security features. AES 256 encryption, a kill switch, and an automatic ad blocker are all included, making sure your browsing is secure and private. However, its no borders mode allows you to bypass censorship in restrictive regions, which is a standout feature compared to some competitors. The third thing, Surfshark's speed is impressive, especially for streaming. It allows for fast connections with minimal slowdowns, even on distant servers. But while it's generally fast, there are occasional drops depending on server location, something you don't typically see with top-tier services like NordVPN. The fourth thing you need to know is about its streaming capabilities. Surfshark is excellent for unblocking streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. You'll have access to multiple regions with no extra fees. However, unlike other VPNs like CyberGhost, which specialize in streaming, Surfshark may require more trial and error with specific servers. Next, Surfshark has a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is fairly standard, but it's a solid way to test the service without committing long-term. Some other VPNs, like ProtonVPN, offer longer trials, which can be a deciding factor if you're hesitant. The sixth thing is that Surfshark has servers in over 100 countries. This extensive network helps with accessing geo-blocked content and provides good options for fast connections worldwide. But if you're looking for the broadest server options, other services like ExpressVPN might offer even more locations. Moving on, Surfshark offers great customer support, available 24/7 via live chat. It's generally responsive and helpful, but some users have noted that the answers can be slow or not as detailed as those from premium services, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. The eighth thing, Surfshark offers a clean web feature to block malware, trackers, and phishing attempts. It's useful, but it's not always as thorough as malware protection offered by other premium VPNs, like Bitdefender VPN. Next, the performance when using Surfshark on mobile devices is great. It's easy to set up and navigate, with no major issues on both Android and iOS. This makes it a strong option for those who prioritize mobile use. However, it doesn't quite match the smoothness of apps from NordVPN. Another important thing is that Surfshark has a feature called multi-hop, which routes your traffic through multiple countries for extra security. This can add an additional layer of privacy, but it may slow down your connection speed. Competitors like ExpressVPN don't offer quite the same level of multi-hop options. The 11th thing is its pricing. Surfshark has some of the most competitive rates in the VPN market, especially when you opt for the longer-term subscription. If you're looking for an affordable VPN, Surfshark might be your best bet, but keep in mind, services like CyberGhost offer similar pricing with more specialized features. Finally, Surfshark does have a strict no-logs policy, which is important for privacy. They've been audited to ensure they don't collect or store data about your activity, which is a good reassurance. This sets it apart from some competitors who have had questionable privacy practices in the past. So, in conclusion, Surfshark is a solid choice, especially if you're looking for an affordable VPN with good security features, strong streaming capabilities, and unlimited device connections. However, if you're looking for an even better option, we recommend trying our top-rated solution for free.